Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to turn off soft proofing in Krita. Soft proofing is a view mode that simulates how your image might look in a different color space, like for print. It's only a visual preview and doesn't alter your actual artwork. The quickest way to turn off soft proofing is by using the keyboard shortcut. Ctrl+Y on Windows or Linux, or Command+Y on Mac OS. If soft proofing is currently active, pressing Ctrl+Y again will toggle it off immediately, returning your canvas colors to normal. Alternatively, you can turn it off through the menus. Go to View, then Soft Proofing and uncheck it. This ensures the proofing preview is disabled without using our shortcut. Remember that soft proofing is saved per image and can be re-enabled later if needed. And that's how you turn off soft proofing in Krita. Thanks for watching.